I'm standing outside of our rescue wagon. Now our rescue wagon is a 5x8 conversion cargo trailer that we've turned into really a custom Jeep camper. We've got all kinds of different cool things that we can attach to the outside and really make it neat for going off-road and taking it to unique places.
If you back up and you look up behind me at the top, you'll see that the air conditioner is white and the rest of the rescue wagon is black. And we really didn't think about that at the time, that maybe it would look cooler to have a black one.
We can order a black shroud for the air conditioner, but that's like a couple $100. So what we're gonna do today is take that shroud off, wipe it down really good with acetone, and we're gonna paint it black.
And that's going to cost us a can of spray paint, which is probably about $6. So we're going to show you how to paint the shroud on your air conditioner.
First thing we need to do is we need to take the shroud off the air conditioner. We're not going to spray paint it while it's up there because there's components we don't want to get spray paint on, and we don't want to get spray paint on the ceiling either. So we're going to take that shroud off. Okay, so I've never taken one of these off before, but it looks like there's just 4 screws to remove. So I'm going to remove those real quick with the drill.
So the first thing that we're going to do is to clean the shroud with some acetone and make sure that any dirt and debris or anything is removed off of it prior to painting.
I'm going to clean this back part though, because I do want to spray paint on the inside of it and the rear part so you don't see white underneath. So anytime you use an acetone, typically want to use a good rubber glove with it. So I'm going to use some Rust-Oleum 2X paint and primer cover. It's supposed to work for plastic. It's in Canyon Black and it's a satin. So one of the things I'm going to do first is kind of spray on the inside so that when you look up from the ground you don't see white up on the inside. So just going to try to dust that good so it's dark. So putting this back on is pretty easy. You just kind of get it up on the front, hold it up in the front while you're pushing it down in the back, and it pops right into place. And then you have 4 screws to replace that you took out in the top. I removed these with the screw gun. For putting things back in, I like to do by hand, so that you don't strip them out on accident. And I also recommend don't tighten them down completely on the first go. The air conditioning shroud on the rescue wagon turned out great. Saved us about $180. And it was only 20 bucks for the spray paint. It was an easy project. Take it off, spray it, put it back on. So saving money like that allows you to be free.